It's a big day as the Supreme Court has revisited its own verdict and has decided to put a stay on the definition of Aravalli Hills. The Supreme Court has stayed its 20th November judgment on the definition of Aravalli Hills. It has mooted the constitution of a committee to re-examine the report of the previous panel, which recommended the 100-meter rule. The centre's 100 meters definition, which had been accepted by the top court earlier, had put the Aravalli Hills at the risk of over-concerns of mining and upsetting the ecological balance of the area. The court proposed a committee of domain experts to be constituted to examine the report of the recommendations of a committee of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on the definition of the Aravalli Hills and the ranges. Now, what exactly happened is that it framed 5 questions to be considered. First, whether the definition of Aravalli restricted to 500-meter area creates a structural paradox where the conservation area is narrowed? Has it broadened the scope of any non-Aravalli areas, thus facilitating unregulated mining? Whether regulated mining shall be allowed in the 500-meter gaps? If so, what precise structural parameters will be utilized to ensure ecological continuity is not compromised? If a significant regulatory lacuna is discovered, then whether a significant assessment would be needed to maintain the structural integrity of the range.
अरावली पहाड़ी है नहीं रहेगी तो क्या होगा, ये मुझसे ज़्यादा पूरा देश जानता है, वैज्ञानिक जानते हैं, पर्यावरणविद जानते हैं, तो ये सरकार क्यों नहीं समझ पा रही है। अब मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 2-2 का फैसला दिया है, पहली सुनवाई के अंदर शियो मोटो केस अपने हाथ में लेकर के स्टे किया है, इसके अपने मायने होना ये समझना चाहिए। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि नए सिरे से जो प्रस्ताव जाएगा उसमें स्वतः इस बात का आभास होगा कि सरकार की अप्रोच बदली है पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट के अंदर।
Colleague Sabyasachi is going to join me right now to get us more details on this big development that we're bringing to our viewers right now. Well, Sabyasachi, of course, this is a big relief for all those environment activists who have been holding fort and demanding a review on the Supreme Court's verdict. Today can breathe a sigh of relief. But what exactly led to this change of heart? Why did Supreme Court decide to put a stay on it?
The definition that was given by the Supreme Court last month, what the Chief Justice of India said, that it has been misunderstood and there needs to be certain amount of clarification that has to be provided, and that is the reason why the Supreme Court has decided to put the definition, the earlier definition, on hold and put a stay on it. Now the Supreme Court says that they are once again going to form a committee and they are going to look into the questions and review the previous committee report which has been given to the Supreme Court. Now till the time it happened by the Supreme Court, till the time the Supreme Court once again forms an expert committee, and this time the expert committee will also comprise of environmental activists, and they will review all the aspect as far as the environment is concerned, as far as the legal aspect is concerned, because the Chief Justice of India felt that the previous judgment that was given by the Supreme Court was misunderstood and there have been some flaws which needs to overcome, and that is the reason why the Supreme Court decided to put a stay on the order. Back to you.